Corpbiz.
Hello everyone, I am Yash and you are watching Corpbiz. In this video, we will be discussing the Cdsco wholesale license. In India, the Cdsco is in charge of overseeing the sale and registration of recognized medical equipments. Cdsco is governed and controlled by the Directorate General of Health Services, which is part of India's Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. A fully notarized and valid copy of the wholesale license for sale or distribution of medicines under the drugs and cosmetic rules in Form 20B and 21B must be presented for the Cdsco wholesale license. The State Licensing Authority in India issues Forms 21C to the manufacturer in the case of Cdsco wholesale license renewal. Some of the products that comes under the ambit of Cdsco license are drug products, medical devices, cosmetics, clinical trials, etc. Cdsco can grant registration for various purposes. There are various purposes for which an applicant may register through the Cdsco portal. Cosmetic registration, import manufacturers selling of drugs, export NOC, test license, ethics committee registration, Formulation R&D Organization, blood bank registration, blood product registration, and so on. Let's discuss the legal obligations under Cdsco wholesale license following the Drug and Cosmetic Act 1999. A wholesale drug license application must fulfill particular requirements established by Cdsco. The applicant's intended area of operation for cosmetics and medicines must be within the defined region. It must also be no larger than 15 square meters. Refrigerators and air conditioners must be available in the suggested area for cooling. This sort of license can only be issued under the supervision of licensed pharmacist or other qualified individual. Furthermore, in certain jurisdictions, these licenses can only be awarded to a firm that employs a competent individual with a pharmacy degree from any approved college. Applicants for wholesale drug licenses must be qualified pharmacists with at least 1 year of experience selling drugs according to Cdsco's education criteria. Applicants with a 10th standard certificate and 4 years of experience in the pharmaceutical business are also eligible for this license. After being approved, the license must be posted at any site where the applicant plans to run narcotics business. Till now, you must have got an overview of Cdsco wholesale license. Now, we will be discussing the prerequisites for it: generic name or brand name, intended use, material of construction, mode of application. Documents required for registration under Cdsco license are as follows: ID proof of the authorized person, address proof of the authorized person, Certificate of Registration or Certificate of Incorporation, undertaking issued by government authority, disclosure of the purpose of the application, duly filed application concerning wholesale drugs license in Form 19 and the receipts of fees deposit for the wholesale drug license. Declaration form in the pattern suggested by the respective authority, specification of the premises, which in general refer to as floor plan, signed affidavit indicating non-involvement of applicant with the criminal activities under the Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940, appointed as the full-time registered pharmacist. These were the documents required for Cdsco wholesale license. After the applicant submits the required documentation, Cdsco guarantees that the premise is inspected by the appointed official. Now moving forward, let's discuss the procedure for Cdsco wholesale license. Some of the steps that are required for Cdsco wholesale licenses are: Cdsco wholesale license can be done online as well. These are the steps to register under the Cdsco portal. Step 1. Visit the Cdsco registration portal. Click on the Login Sign Up button at the top of portal. Step 2. Next, go to Sign Up. Here is the option to register. This will take you to the registration purpose page. Finally, click on the Submit button. Step 3. Click on the Applicant Registration page. Complete the application details form. It contains details like applicant type and password. Next, upload the ID proof details and undertaking. Fill the Registered Indian Address form. This contains information such as the organization name, the organization type, the contact number, and finally upload the corporate address proof. Once you have completed all the details, click Submit button. Step 4. After submission, a confirmation link will be sent via email to your registered email address. To activate your Cdsco account, click on the link in your email. Step 5. After clicking the confirmation link, the application will be sent to appropriate authority, that is Cdsco officials. In case of approval, an email for approval will be sent on the respective email ID. If the application is denied, an email of rejection will be sent to your registered email ID. I hope you liked the video, and for more such videos, please subscribe to our channel Corpbiz.